Hello students. Now in the series of learning advanced features of MS Excel, you will learn now data validation rules. Setting data validation rules means you can set up your database table to control exactly what kind of data is allowed in the cells. Means you can make sure that you type the right kind of data in a cell after assigning a data validation rule. If you type the wrong data, such as text data instead of numerical data, Excel displays an error message to prompt you about which type of data can be entered into this particular cell. So let's learn about this. Suppose I have taken this spreadsheet and this is the marks detail of class 7K where I am going to put marks for English and Maths, two subjects which are out of 40. So there is a chance I put wrong marks. Wrong entry is even possible, but I can enter more than 40 also by mistake. So just to stop that mistake, careless mistake, I can set validation rule. How to do that? Let's see this. First of all, add to these two columns. In both the columns you have to put the rules. Select these two, go to data tab, go to data validation. Now it is asking me what are you going to set. Allow, मुझे allow क्या करना है. I can allow decimal marks because it can be in decimal. Your data can be between 0 and 40 because marks are out of 40. Okay, what input message you are going to give when I am starting entering the data? What should I write here? I have to write valid entry only. ये मैसेज एंट्री शुरू करने से पहले ही मिल जाएगा कि वैलिड एंट्री ही यहाँ पे करनी है, तो इससे अलर्ट हो जाएगा एंट्री करने वाला कि यहाँ कोई मिस्टेक नहीं करनी है. और मैसेज क्या होगा? बिटवीन, इट शुड बी बिटवीन 0 एंड 40. सो दिस आई हैव डन. ओके, द थर्ड थिंग इज एरर अलर्ट. मुझे अलर्ट करने के लिए क्या मैसेज देना है? आई विल टेक द स्टाइल स्टॉप. अगर कोई मिस्टेक हो रही तो वहीं स्टॉप हो जाएगा ये, एंड इट विल गिव द मैसेज इनवैलिड एंट्री. वहाँ उसे लिखा हुआ दिखाई देगा जो भी एंट्री कर रहा है, इट इज़ अ इनवैलिड एंट्री. और स्टॉप हो जाने की वजह से नेक्स्ट एंट्री पॉसिबल नहीं होगी, तो करेक्शन करना ही पड़ेगा. ओके, सो नाउ व्हेन आई स्टार्ट एंटरिंग द डेटा, I am writing 36, fine, it's correct, it is between the range. I am entering 65 now, so it is not accepting because it is invalid entry. Beyond 40 I am giving the marks, that is wrong. So I have to retry. When I say retry, it will give me another chance to make the correction. Now this time I am supposed to write 30.5, it's fine because I have allowed decimal entry also. So this is the way validating rules work. So it stops you to doing any mistakes in your database or your tables. Use it and practice this.